Just imagine. What if your longtime enemy, who has been chasing you since the very first day of your journey towards your goal, suddenly becomes cheesy and ships you with someone you're close with? That would feel so sudden and awkward, with nothing but denial and embarrassment, isn't it? Well, something similar happened with Ash and Misty when Team Rocket shipped them as a couple. Let's dig in to see what exactly happened. As we have already reviewed the poke shipping moments from the previous season, we are now setting our journey to the next season, Adventures in the Orange Islands. This season marks very important aspects of Ash and Misty's relationship as it finally started to bloom. This season is filled with poke shipping moments, and poke shippers just go giga over it. So let's begin. Starting off with the episode Pallet Party Panic, where Pallet Town celebrates Ash's achievements in the Indigo League, and Professor Oak requests the gang to bring the mysterious GS ball from Professor Ivy. Before departing, Ash releases his newly evolved Pichu with a promise to meet again someday. In the next episode, the gang boards a plane prepared by Team Rocket and faces a lot of trouble. Well, I won't go deeper into it, but there is one thing that I want to highlight. There comes a moment where Togepi goes missing and is found on top of the aircraft, which was dangerous. Misty tries to climb up, and that's where Ash stops her. Well, as you all know, he was concerned about Misty's safety, but then he allowed her because of Misty's assurance and her quick thinking about how Ash could help her. She asks him to use Bulbasaur to hold her tight. Ash does exactly as told to get Misty and Togepi back safely. This scene says a lot about Ash Ketchum and Misty without needing any dramatic confession. It's one of those small but meaningful moments where their dynamic is shown through instinct, trust, and understanding. Ash's reaction shows that his first instinct is fear for her safety, not just concern about the situation in general. That matters. He isn't simply saying don't go because it's dangerous. He's reacting emotionally because it's Misty going into danger. That protective reflex is very natural and very telling. But what makes the scene stronger is what happens next. Ash doesn't keep controlling the situation. He listens to her. That is important because it shows his concern is not based on Misty can't do it. It's based on I don't want you to get hurt. Once she proves she has a plan and knows what she's doing, he immediately shifts from stopping her to supporting her. Misty in this scene is not written as someone helpless who needs rescuing. She is emotionally driven because of Togepi, brave enough to act, and smart enough to think through the danger. Her asking Ash to use Bulbasaur to hold her tightly is actually a very underrated detail because it shows presence of mind under pressure. She's not recklessly charging in. She's calculating the risk and creating a way to make it safer. So the scene becomes even more beautiful because it is not Ash saves Misty and not Misty ignores Ash. It is Misty takes the lead and Ash becomes the support she can rely on. Well, in the following episode, we see that the aircraft crashes on land and they stop by Professor Ivy's research facility. They collect the GS ball and soon learn that Brock has decided to stay with the professor, leaving Ash and Misty alone. Now, here comes the very famous official poker shipping moment. Well, the scene goes like this. Ash and Misty board the same aircraft again, fooled by Team Rocket, and while in the air, they are imprisoned. To our surprise, Jesse notices that Brock is missing, and James responds by teasing Ash and Misty, stating that Ash and Misty must have dumped him and eloped. That's straight canon from the Japanese dub, while the English dub literally calls them a romantic pair through James. Cute, isn't it? I wonder what made James think that way. Maybe they know more than us. You know? That makes sense because Team Rocket continues to chase them and always keeps an eye on them. They surely must have seen or noticed many things that we didn't. This scene becomes more relevant because it made Ash and Misty blush. They were embarrassed and overwhelmed. Team Rocket continues to tease them, and that's where Ash gets annoyed and cuts it off by commanding Pikachu to launch a thunderbolt at Team Rocket. In addition, Jigglypuff sneaks in and puts them all to sleep. They somehow finally land and meet a new friend, Tracy, who joins Ash and Misty on their journey to the Orange Islands. Well, here is a bonus moment. Hear it carefully. Misty surprisingly gets annoyed after learning that Tracy is coming along. Well, I really cannot say the exact reason, but maybe she didn't want anyone to replace her brother figure, Brock. Or maybe she wanted to be with Ash, or simply didn't want an unknown guy tagging along. I'll leave the interpretation up to you guys. And finally, You must have noticed that Ash and Misty were welcomed by the island girls as a form of congratulations or something. Well, the English dub ruined the moment by simply making them congratulate the two. However, in the original dub, they addressed them by saying, "You guys match well," or, to put it simply, the girls called Ash and Misty a perfect match. And this, again, is canon, as it comes from the originators themselves. Just how cute is that, isn't it? In summary, the Orange Island saga marks unexpected poke shipping moments, starting from Team Rocket calls it out right to their faces. This fact itself becomes highly powerful because Team Rocket has been an important part of Ash's journey. They have been there since the Indigo League until the Sun and Moon series, and they have never addressed him with any other Pokegirl as a pair. That acknowledgement of only Ash and Misty carries weight. And the best part? The makers themselves wanted it to be this way. This one scene alone acts so powerfully that every debate and every ship loses to it miserably. No matter how much someone denies it, this is one of those powerful moments that makes spoke shipping stand tall above all. Forever. Well, that's it for today's explanation, folks. I'll see you soon. Until then, keep smiling and keep poke shipping.